The light bulbs are the Sylvania's 2825s. We are going to be replacing the license plate lights for a 2013 Toyota Prius C. What you're going to do is open up your trunk so it's horizontal or parallel to the ground so you can work on it easier. And tools that you're going to need a flathead screwdriver that's very tiny, something that you'd work on electronics with, and a small piece of masking tape so you can cover the tip so you don't damage the actual plastic housing. And these are the steps. You're going to take that flathead screwdriver and you're going to put it on the side that's closest to the center of your vehicle. So if you're working on the left-hand side, you want to do it closest to the trunk handle. And you're just going to put it in and just pry it out. Put it in and pry it out. After that, you can just pop out the light bulb. You just pull it out. You don't have to screw or anything. You can take your new light bulb and you can pop it in. The side is going to be horizontal, so if there's a horizontal thing, just align it with the actual light bulb holder. And once you do that, you can snap back the plastic housing. You will hear a click. Then on the other side, it's going to be closest to the trunk handle. So you're going to put in your flathead screwdriver and just pry open that plastic housing. Take out the old light bulb, put in the new one. The new one will have the same horizontal orientation. So you just slide it in and press it in. You should feel a little bit of pressure and a little click. And once you're done with that, you can click your plastic housing back. Until you feel that click, you're done. You may have to wiggle it a little bit to get it back in, but that's how you do it. Then you can turn on your vehicle, turn on your headlights, and you'll see your new light bulbs working well. I'll leave a link for the light bulbs in the description below.